Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making your first call. Get an API key, place it in an environment variable, and install the official SDK or prepare curl. Once done, inspect the minimal endpoint schema so you know required headers and parameters. Make a simple get to a health or version endpoint to verify connectivity. Doing this first prevents credential or network surprises later. It shows you a working baseline before adding complexity. Now implement request logic and handling. Write a function that attaches your auth header, sets reasonable timeouts, and serializes JSON bodies properly. After you call the main endpoint, parse status codes, and the error object so you can branch on success versus failure, add exponential backoff retries for transient errors. Also validate input and response shapes so your app fails fast if the API contract changes. These steps stabilize the middle of flow. Finish by hardening and observing your integration. Add structured logs and metrics so you can spot anomalies. Make user errors clear and actionable. Rotate keys and apply least privilege scopes to reduce blast radius. If something breaks, reproduce the failing request with curl and the same headers to isolate client versus server issues. Then review logs and status codes and adjust timeouts or backoff. That targeted troubleshooting tip saves hours by narrowing down whether the problem is credentials, network, or payload.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.